Your new OTC portable DPF cleaner comes complete with all the kit elements you see here. The cleaner and its accessories allow you to be able to clean DPF filters virtually anywhere at any time. Cleaner, take time to read through the owner's manual. Refer to the manual for any specific setup and operational questions. OTC's portable DPF cleaner allows you to clean the wide variety of flanged and non-flanged DPF filters that are installed on today's heavy-duty vehicles. Your accessory kit is supplied with all the shrouds, seals, and adapters needed to clean DPFs. The sturdy blow-molded case stores all the parts and helps you stay organized. To begin the cleaning process, use the tape measure provided in the toolkit to measure the diameter of the DPF at the widest point where it will interface with the neoprene ring seal. Make sure you consider the outside diameter on a flanged filter. After removing the DPF from the vehicle, your first step in the cleaning process is to install the neoprene ring seal. Loosen the tie straps and thumb knobs and remove the lid from the canister. The DPF cleaner is shipped with a small ring seal and the steel compression supporting ring installed. The first ash collection bag is also pre-installed when the unit ships. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the contents of the ash bag disposal kit. Use the measurement you took of the DPF filter to select the correct neoprene ring seal for your application. Install the ring seal, the clamping ring, and the thumb knobs. Align the tabs in the clamping ring with the straps. Gently place the DPF into the machine. Center the DPF with the dirty side down. Verify the ring seal is sealing against the canister body. Use the DPF canister measurement to select the correct dust skirt size for your application. Place the dust skirt over the DPF with the fastening tape facing up and the beige or white strip on the side near the control box. Thread the securing straps through the 3 slits in the dust skirt. Use the tape measure provided in the toolkit to measure the outer diameter of the DPF at the uppermost edge where the fixture will rest. The legs for the nozzle assembly have 2 different sizes of feet to accommodate flanged and non-flanged DPFs. We are cleaning a flanged DPF, so attach the larger feet for this type of filter. Remember, if the DPF has a flange, measure the outer diameter of the flange and add 50 millimeters to the measurement. Lock the legs into the position at the measurement taken for the canister diameter. Once you have correctly positioned the feet on the nozzle assembly, install the 3 shoulder screw extensions on the tripod setting gauge. Place the gauge on top of and centered on the DPF. Place the nozzle assembly on top of the gauge. Slide the feet down to catch the lip of the DPF and lock them evenly in place. Remove the nozzle assembly and gauge from the DPF and reset the nozzle assembly to ensure level fit. Select the longest nozzle arm that will clear the legs of the fixture but still reach the outer diameter of the DPF. Connect the nozzle arm to the spindle shaft using an align, push, and twist movement. The spring-loaded ball should snap into the spindle detent. Install the flange nozzle onto the nozzle arm using the supplied mounting nut. Install with the bent part of the nozzle parallel to the nozzle arm and pointing toward the center of the unit. Tighten the nut with a supplied hex key wrench. Manually rotate the drive disc to ensure the swing of the nozzle clears the feet. Position the fixture on top of the DPF with connecting receptacles pointing toward the control box. Slide the 3 straps from the DPF cleaner through the dust skirt slots and secure the straps to the fixture. The tension on the three straps must be equal. Place the hood on top of the fixture with the flat side toward the control box. Raise the dust skirt and start attaching the fastening tape to the hood at a point 180 degrees from the flat edge of the hood. Continue to attach the dust skirt to the hood, working around both sides and ending at the flat edge of the hood. Install the 90-degree vacuum hose elbow adapter. Attach the quick connect air line from the valve to the fixture. Attach the wire lead from the control box to the motor fixture. Next, you'll need to attach a hose adapter and a 3/8" compressed air line to the pneumatic filter regulator input. The air line should have a sustained compressor capacity of 100 to 120 psi and be clean and free of moisture. The adapter kit contains both AC and DC power cords. The DC power cord allows you to attach to a vehicle battery in the field, a nice feature when a power outlet is not available. Install the correct input voltage power cord between the control box and the power source. Attach the HEPA vacuum hose to the 90-degree elbow adapter and start the vacuum. The DPF cleaner lid can also protect from unexpected moisture. Engage the pin on the underside of the lid into the pinhole, located on top of the motor enclosure. This helps protect the DPF from moisture. Let's take a moment to look at the buttons on the control panel. The red, yellow, and blue settings on the control panel correlate to the red, yellow, and blue sections of the nozzle control arm. Determine the color range where the nozzle is resting under the nozzle arm. Open the valve to the airline supply. The airline should have a sustained compressor capacity of 100 to 120 psi. Set the selector switch on the control panel to the same color as the nozzle control arm. Press and release the start-stop button on the control panel. The cleaning process will begin. You'll see here how the focused air-jet technology thoroughly cleans the individual cells of the DPF. As the nozzle moves toward the center of the DPF and into a different color on the nozzle arm, change the selector switch on the control panel to match the color. This is not required, however it speeds up the cleaning cycle. If this is not done, the cycle will still continue at the starting speed but take longer to complete the cycle. The nozzle rotates to the center of the DPF and will dwell there until the machine is turned off. The teardown of the portable DPF cleaner and ash bag disposal will require you to use additional PPV gear. Detach the vacuum hose from the DPF. Detach the air line and wire lead from the fixture base. Attach the air line that was removed from the fixture to the air blast port on the intermediate base. Remove the hood, dust skirt, and fixture base from the DPF. A compressed air nozzle is included on the unit. Use this to lightly blow through the top of the DPF, covering the entire area of the substrate face. This exercise helps to dislodge the ash that clings to the underside of the DPF. Apply 5 bursts of air by pressing the discharge button on the control panel 5 times. Hold the button for 1 second and release. Remove the rubber plug from the intermediate base and insert the hose from the vacuum. Turn on the vacuum and slowly lift the DPF from the machine. Once the DPF has been removed, turn off the vacuum. Install the lid on the DPF cleaner. Fasten the straps to keep ash from escaping. And replace the rubber plug. Disconnect the DPF cleaner from the power supply and disconnect shop air. Unclamp and remove the intermediate ring from the canister. Remove the backing from the sealing membrane and adhere the membrane to the top of the ash bag. Carefully lift the ash bag from the canister. Slowly and gently press the excess air out of the ash bag. Insert and seal the ash bag into the reclosable bag provided in the replacement kit. Dispose of the used ash bag according to federal, state, and local regulations regarding hazardous waste. Install the new ash bag into the canister, folding the bag evenly around the outside edge. Reinstall the intermediate ring and clamp it to the canister, ensuring a tight seal to the ash bag. Vacuum the DPF cleaner and the surrounding area as needed. With proper care and maintenance, your OTC portable DPF cleaner will last for years. You'll have the flexibility and capability to perform DPF service virtually anywhere the service will take you.